Jobs and professions. As has been the case for many years, jobs, or forms of employment wherein employees perform a service or duty in exchange for financial compensation, play a prominent role in society. Furthermore, all jobs, even those of seemingly little significance, are important, as they simply wouldn't exist if their specific responsibilities weren't of value to employers, companies, or persons that pay others for their work, customers, individuals who pay money for a product or service, and the economy generally. Teachers or educational professionals tasked with helping students understand certain subjects and topics are especially crucial today. In short, teachers help their students to become qualified for their future careers. Doctors or medical professionals who specialize in providing health-related assistance to patients are some of the most respected individuals in America and the world. It's the responsibility of doctors to help those who feel less than stellar to determine the underlying health issues and recommend an effective treatment or remedy to a disease, disorder, or condition. There are quite a few types of specialty doctors in America besides MD, which simply means medical doctor, all of whom can be referred to simply as doctor. Dentists, mouth-teeth doctors, dermatologists, skin doctors, and psychiatrists, mental health doctors, are just a few examples of the many different types of doctors. Additionally, nurses are medical professionals who help to administer doctor-ordered treatments to patients. Police officers are law enforcement professionals whose job it is to protect citizens, solve crimes, and assure that rules and regulations are followed. Similarly, firefighters serve the public by responding to fires and other emergency situations and using high-tech equipment to extinguish these fires, while bringing any individuals who are in danger to safety. Farmers maintain fields of crops or vegetable, fruit plants, and or collections of animals with the intention of selling these products as food. Chefs or cooks prepare meals in professional settings, including restaurants, cafeterias, and other venues wherein food and drink are sold for customers. Chefs are generally experienced in cooking and managing kitchens. Waiters bring menus, beverages, meals, and ultimately, the check or a bill of the foods and drinks purchased in a transaction to tables in restaurants and other establishments that serve food. Artists produce art or works of creative significance, including music, paintings, drawings, poetry, writing, and more. Did you understand the text? It's time to answer the questions.